Midi skirt magic, 6 ways to style it all day long. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Alethea Fashion. I'm from Alethea and today we're diving into the versatile midi skirt. We'll explore 6 distinct looks, from morning coffee runs to late night dinners. It's all about maximizing our wardrobe and feeling fabulous. Ready to unlock new ways to wear your favorite midi skirt? Let's jump right in. Don't forget to let me know your favorite look in the comments below. Look 1. Laid-back errands, 9 a.m. casual vibes. This is my go-to for laid-back errands, grabbing that essential morning coffee, or just enjoying a relaxed start to the day. We're aiming for an effortless, cool vibe that doesn't try too hard but still makes a subtle statement. The foundation, of course, is our beautiful satin midi skirt, which already brings a touch of elegance. To achieve this casual chic, I've paired the satin midi with a super comfortable graphic tee. The trick here is the tuck. I've done a simple front tuck, just gathering a small portion of the tee and tucking it into the waistband of the skirt. Now, for footwear, nothing beats a pair of classic white sneakers when you're on the go. They instantly ground the satin material of the skirt, making it feel more approachable for daytime wear. To accessorize this easygoing ensemble, I've opted for a practical yet stylish crossbody bag. And for a final touch of polish, because even casual looks deserve a little sparkle, I've added some dainty gold hoops. So there you have it. Our first look is complete. A graphic tee, a front tuck, comfy white sneakers, a practical crossbody bag, and delicate gold hoops. This combination proves that you don't need to sacrifice comfort for style, even on your busiest errand-filled mornings. It's the perfect way to start the day feeling good and looking great. This look is all about that easy breezy confidence. Look 2. Coffee date cool. 10:30 a.m. brunch ready. Imagine it's 10:30 a.m. and you're heading out for a coffee date or brunch with friends. Elevate the midi skirt from casual to semi-formal by adding structure and polish. Swap the graphic tee for a refined top. Layer with a cropped cardigan. It defines the waist and complements the skirt. Switch to a small, chic shoulder bag. Add kitten heels for sophistication. Now your midi skirt is brunch ready and coffee date cool. Look 3. Work chic, professional polish. Now let's transition our versatile midi skirt into a look that's perfect for the office. It's time to take her to work, demonstrating how this elegant piece can be a cornerstone of your professional wardrobe. To achieve this professional polish, I've started by tucking in a crisp white button-down shirt. A classic white shirt is a powerhouse in any wardrobe, and when paired with a midi skirt, it creates an instantly smart and timeless silhouette. Over the white shirt, I've layered a well-structured blazer. The blazer is key to elevating this look to true work chic status. For footwear, classic pumps are an excellent choice to complete this work-appropriate outfit. They elongate the leg, add a touch of formality, and always look polished. If your office vibe is a bit more relaxed, or if you prefer not to wear heels, stylish loafers are a fantastic alternative. Accessorizing should be kept minimal and professional. A simple watch, perhaps some stud earrings, and a structured work tote to carry your essentials. This work chic ensemble truly showcases the midi skirt's ability to be a sophisticated and reliable piece for professional settings. You'll feel put together, powerful, and ready to tackle anything the day throws at you, all while looking effortlessly elegant. It's a modern take on power dressing that doesn't compromise on femininity or personal style. Alright, the workday is done, or perhaps it's the weekend, and we're ready to inject some serious personality and edge into our midi skirt look. For this 4th transformation, we're diving into the realm of edgy street style. Perfect for a late afternoon adventure, meeting up with friends, or just expressing your bolder fashion sensibilities. To achieve this cool girl confidence, I'm taking our elegant satin midi and pairing it with something unexpected, a chunky cropped hoodie. The contrast between the slightly more formal satin and the casual, almost rugged feel of a chunky hoodie is what creates that instant street-style appeal. Now for the footwear, we're going full-on edgy with a pair of combat boots. Combat boots are the quintessential street-style shoe. They add an instant dose of attitude and toughness to any outfit. To complete this street-style inspired ensemble, I've added a mini backpack. A mini backpack is both practical and trendy, fitting perfectly with the youthful urban aesthetic we're aiming for. And no street-style look is complete without some statement sunnies. A pair of bold sunglasses not only protects your eyes, but also adds an air of mystery and undeniable coolness. This look is all about breaking fashion rules and creating your own. It's about confidence, individuality, and not being afraid to experiment with contrasts. Now, as the day transitions into evening, it's time to turn up the glamour. For our fifth look, we're styling the midi skirt for a sophisticated dinner out, or perhaps a flirty date night. To achieve this elevated evening look, I've chosen to pair the midi skirt with a delicate lace or satin camisole. Tucking a beautiful cami into the skirt creates a seamless and incredibly feminine silhouette. The luxurious texture of lace or the subtle sheen of satin instantly signals an occasion that's a bit more special. For footwear, we're definitely going with heels to elevate the look, quite literally. I've thrown on a pair of strappy heels, strappy sandals, whether they're delicate stilettos or a more comfortable block heel version, add an undeniable touch of glamour and femininity. Now, depending on the weather or the specific vibe you're going for, you can consider a layering piece. For an edgier, more modern feel, a sleek leather jacket draped over your shoulders would look incredible. Accessories are key to completing this date night or dinner ensemble. This is the time to bring out your statement earrings. Whether they're dazzling chandeliers, bold hoops, or artistic drops, statement earrings will draw attention to your face and add a significant dose of glamour. And let's not forget a chic clutch. With the lace or satin cami perfectly tucked in, the strappy heels adding height and grace, and the carefully chosen accessories, you are absolutely glowing. For our final transformation, we're taking the midi skirt to the after party. Think rooftop bar vibes, a house party, or dancing at a chic lounge. Pair the midi skirt with a striking bodysuit for a sleek, seamless silhouette. A bodysuit stays perfectly in place, no matter how much you move or dance. Add allure with a midi skirt that has a side slit or sequin detailing. For footwear, go for platform heels. They give you height and a bold, confident stance. Accessories can be playful and daring. Think stacked bangles, a mix of metals or textures. For hair, a sleek ponytail looks chic and keeps hair off your face. Alternatively, a messy bun can look effortlessly cool. This final ensemble embraces the celebratory mood. A bold bodysuit, midi skirt with a side slit, platform heels, and fun accessories create a look ready for a good time. It's confident, a little bit sexy, and perfect for making an entrance. Our midi skirt has taken us from day to night, proving its versatility. And that's a wrap on our midi skirt styling journey. We created 6 different looks with one amazing wardrobe staple. From casual errands to a chic coffee date and an edgy street-style moment to a glamorous dinner date and partied the night away. Your midi skirt has your back. I hope this video inspired you. Fashion should be fun and expressive.